Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open and you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and you can see, let me find an option of accessibility. Click on that option and here you can see dark mode. Click on that and click on. So now you can see that your Instagram is now in dark mode. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.